Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to copy paste and delete all on MacBook Air or Apple computer. In Windows PC, it's actually the copy is Control C and Control V, but in Apple computer instead of Control, we click Command from the keyboard. Recently I've been using my mouse, that's why I almost forgot how to do it using the keyboard. So now we start. Let's get started. Simply choose the text or the paragraph that you want to copy. Just highlight the word or the paragraph and slide it up to where you want to copy lah. And then using the keyboard, simply click Command and C button at the same time, and then it will copy. If you want to paste, just click Command and V button, and there you have it. If you want to delete all, just choose again the text or the paragraph that you want to delete, highlight it down, and click Command and Z from the keyboard. And now it's deleted. Simple as that. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want more, you can comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.